At the solar station when you arrive, you should have it looking something similar to this, where you have LED lights, a small motor with a fan connected to it, 2 solar panels where you'll primarily just use the one panel, a bunch of different sticks that are used for varying the height or angle of the solar panel, 2 sets of lead wires, 2 that are red, 2 that are black, and also your voltmeter, again connected to DCV for direct current voltage at the 20 with the red in the middle, the black at the top, and a light fixture attached to the wood. Now please be very, very careful when you do plug this in. It does get extremely hot, so make sure to keep your hands away from this at all times. Now when you're setting your solar panel up, it's quite simple. You just rest it up against that piece there. You select your first small stick. This one has a 2 on it, not representing that it is stick 2, but that it is 2 inches in length. And you can connect that just underneath here, and it also then rests on the other board like so. So that you can see it is slightly propped up there, and this is secured at the front by that piece of wood so that it doesn't slide anywhere. Then you want to connect your voltmeter, black to black, red to red, and you turn on your light and you should instantly get readings on your voltmeter. And it's already showing readings obviously because of the light around us, but this light bulb will represent the sun, and you'll be getting an increased amount of voltage with your voltmeter once it is on as well. Use the protractor and hold it down as close as you can to the solar panel, and you might want to slide it all the way over to one edge and try to find the exact angle that solar panel is. Remembering you want this bottom line to be right along the edge of the board, not resting on the top. Okay, and then the center of the protractor here, measuring what this angle is here. And record that angle for whatever number of stick that you have as well. So remember, this is representing inches, and then you also want to calculate the angle. Once you're finished doing all your readings with your different sticks, getting the different angles, you can then take the voltmeter right out and start to experiment to see if you can get the LED lights to turn on, or the motor with the fan attached to it to turn on. To do that quite easily, just connect red to red and black to black, and do the same for the LED light or the motor, and you'll see if they turn on. After that, you can experiment further and try with your partner to hold up 2 panels. See if you can link them in series to get even more voltage created, and see what the effect is of having 2. Does it completely double the amount of output or not? It's up to you to investigate and see what happens. Once you're finished doing that last step, please just again kind of align everything nicely. Make sure the voltmeter is turned off. Make sure all the sticks are nicely in line for the next group, so that when they arrive, it is neatly all put away just how you found it as well. Again, make sure to unplug the light, and do remember it does get very hot, so keep your hands away from it at all times. You will have to plug it in, plug and unplug it at the extension or power bar.